Good morning. How can I help you?
My daughter is a picky eater. I wonder if you could give me some advice on what I should do.
Okay, Mrs. Smith. I would like to ask some questions about your daughter. What's her name?
Her name is Kyla.
How old is she?
She just turned 3.
Why do you think she is a picky eater? Does she have any specific preference for food?
Yes, she only eats some potato chips, candies and fruits. She does not like to eat regular meals.
Does she often drink high-calorie drinks like juice, soda, or milk?
She only drinks milk and water.
When do you think she started behaving like this?
2 or 3 months ago.
She does that all the time?
Yes.
So you think it's getting worse?
Yes, I think it does.
Have you ever punished, bribed, or rewarded your daughter to alter her eating behavior?
No, doctor.
Do you usually follow a set schedule for meals?
Yes.
Do you usually give her any desserts with regular meals?
Sometimes.
Does she watch TV before mealtime?
Yes, she watches TV sometimes.
What kind of diet does she take? How many times does she eat in a day?
I began to include small pieces of fruits and meat in her diet. She eats 5 to 6 times a day.
Is there any reason you can think of why she is not willing to eat meat?
I am sorry, but I have no idea.
Did she have any experience of vomiting or diarrhea after eating meat in the past?
No, not at all.
Does she hate the smell or taste of meat?
Oh, I am not really sure about that.
How would you characterize your family's diet?
We eat meat and vegetables.
Does she have any symptoms like constipation, belly pain, bloating?
She has constipation.
How many times in a week does she have bowel movements?
2 to 3 times a week.
What is the stool like? Hard, large, dry, painful to pass it?
It looks dry and hard.
May I know the color?
Light yellow.
Any blood in it?
No, I have not noticed any blood in it.
Have you ever noticed any bright red blood on the toilet paper?
I have not.
Does she usually sit on the toilet long? How long?
Not too long, probably just about 3 to 5 minutes.
Does she hold defecation when she plays?
No, she does not. I can say that because she feels uneasy and informs right away that she wants to go to the bathroom.
Does she resist toilet training?
Yes, sometimes.
Any urinary problems?
Not at all.
Any other symptoms? Fever? Headache? Cough? Shortness of breath?
No.
Did she ever have similar episodes before?
No.
Did she ever have health problems?
No.
Any hospitalizations?
No.
Any surgical operations?
No.
What about allergies?
She has no known allergies.
How many children do you have?
She is the only one.
Do you have any complications during your pregnancy or delivery?
No.
Was she healthy after the delivery?
Yes, she was.
Being her parent, how often do you spend time with her?
A few hours a day because we both have work.
Who takes care of her then?
She goes to the daycare.
What kind of house do you live?
Very old one.
Are her immunizations up to date?
Yes.
When was her last well-child checkup?
6 months ago, and everything went well that time.
Did she have any infections before?
No.
Did you just move here recently?
Yes, we just moved here 6 months ago. So is my daughter okay?
Based on what I have heard from you, I think that your daughter's not eating well as part of normal behavior of toddlers. It's pretty common in that age group. But even though the chances are low, there are some other possibilities of behavioral changes and constipation. So, I will run some tests to rule them out. Does this sound okay to you?
Yes, that sounds good.
For her eating problems, I would like to give you some hints to make it better. It can be helpful for you to follow a set of eating time. With this, she can naturally realize the mealtime and get ready. Also, it's better to cut down high-calorie drinks or snacks between meals. One more thing, eating environment is important sometimes. So it's better to block her from any possible distractions like TV. And for constipation, I would like to suggest that you give her high-fiber diet like cereals, fruits, and vegetables.
Yes, that sounds good.
So I would like you to take your daughter here soon.
Sure.
It was nice talking with you. Have a good day.
In today's video, we have compiled simple and relatable conversations that you might encounter in your daily life. These conversations are not only a great way to improve your English, but also to understand how English is spoken in real-life situations. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive into these everyday English conversations and make learning fun. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos, and also comment.